Okay, now the bread was in the oven for 2 hours. I'm going to take it out of the pan. I should have oiled the pan, but I didn't. And of course I didn't put any oil in the bread either, which we shall see. Okay. All right, so here we go. It is browned on top. That is a good sign. This was where I accidentally stuck my thumb in it earlier and it was very hot. Okay, I'm going to tear it. Okay, it is cooked all the way through. It's nice and warm. Okay, it's cooked all the way through. Now, I ran out of oil, so I just did this flour, salt, yeast, water. So that was pretty good. I need to go to the store and get some more butter. That's pretty good. Okay, so it did take about 2 hours. It did take about 2 hours to cook, so residual heat works. It cooked all the way through. It's got a good texture. I think it will cook better and faster if I don't put it in until the oven is heated up. But the oven does get hot enough to cook it. So my guess is that the oven's running somewhere between 300 and 350. The probability is that it's doing that because the oven itself is absorbing all of the heat, which actually makes sense now that I think about it, but I need to figure out. Now this time I used a flat baking surface. I need to try using a baking stone and see how well that does. I think there are procedures that could be used to make it more oven-like. The next one I think is using a baking stone, but this process did cook better than having the grill underneath. So I just need to work on the processes and figure out the best ways to do it. But it is working. Talk to you later.